Hello guys, the stock that I have on my screen is Ujjivan Financial Services, and this stock in the last week it has given a very bad returns. Actually, this was due to some issue with the management. The CEO of this company has resigned. So due to this bad news, the stock has given a, I mean, it has shown a very negative trend. But there is something interesting about this stock. So I'm going to explain you the technical stuff of this stock, and this is not a recommendation, but what I feel is this is a high probability trade, and you can just go long in it. And again, it's not a recommendation. These I'm considering this as a high probability trade due to some price action behaviors, and even few indicators also. Okay, so basically I'll just change the chart from daily chart to weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart of the same Ujjivan Financial Services, and here if you can see, I have drawn a horizontal line here. So this indicates that this was a previous low here, and the stock has touched the same point of the previous low, and it has gone above it. Okay, so this indicates that this is a support level for this stock, because the price has fallen from its high to certain level, and again it has shown a up move. And the similar thing you can see here also, that the price has fallen to the same level and it has gone back above. Okay, and one more interesting thing about this particular week is the candlestick what it has formed. If you can see the wick of this candle, just a minute, I'll just show you the indication. Yeah, this is considered as a thin line, is considered as a wick. And if you can see, the wick of this candle is very long, which means that there is lot of price action here. And this particular single candle indicates that during the course of this week, the sellers were aggressive and they had bought the price down here, so at this level. And again, the buyers pushed very hard to bring the price back to the same level of the beginning of the week, which this clearly indicates that the buyers were in force and they have pushed the price from certain level to its next level, which means this is one of the good thing, that the buyers were aggressive here. I'll just delete all these stuffs, and now I'm going back to the daily chart, and I'll be looking into some of the indicators here. Okay, yeah, now we are looking into the daily chart here, and if you can see, the volume has increased drastically in last 2 days, which clearly indicates that there is something happening with this stock. No matter what, volumes are the best indicators which shows the buying activity or selling activity in the market. And here you can clearly see that the volume has increased drastically in last 2 days, which shows that there is a buying pressure here. I'll be going through few indicators. One is RSI. So this RSI indicators has oversold region and overbought region. So if the RSI is below 20, it is called as oversold, and if it is below 80, it is called as overbought region. Okay, so if you can see the RSI here, the RSI is was in oversold region, and it has moved above the oversold region. This also indicates that there is the buying activity going on here. Okay, the next indicator what I am going to use is stochastics. So I'll just insert stochastics here, and even the stochastics are very similar to RSI. Even they have oversold and overbought region. And if you can see, the stochastic were in oversold region for a longer duration, and now they have come out of it, which means that there is a buying activity going on here. So this, due to all these indicators and the price action what I showed you earlier, this clearly shows that there could be some movement in this stock, and we can go long in it. Again, this is not a recommendation, this is just a probability of a good trade. So you can just have a look into this stock in the future, and whether we'll see whether it works out in our direction or not. Thank you.